There are many ways to make a sailboat with origami, and I'm going to show you one of those. My name is Robert Segundo, and I'm going to show you the simplest way to make a sailboat out of piece of paper. What we're going to do is we're going to start with a triangle piece of paper. Basically, all I did was I took one of my square sheets that I have, and I just folded it in half and then split it down the middle, like so. What we're going to do is we're going to take this and just fold this in half, like so. To get that crease right there in the center, we're just going to open it up. And we're going to take the top and just fold it down over like so. Now we're going to take these corner pieces here, we're going to fold them up along that crease too. And I'm not going to fold them quite fully together. Give them a little space like so. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this part right here and I'm going to fold it up to the back. And this is what we call, it's profile origami basically is what it is, because when you flip it over, there's your sailboat, boat shape with your two sails on it like so. Very simple and quick and easy to make. So play around with it, have fun, and enjoy.